Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and we have some interesting news coming out of Google. So Stadia is the streaming game streaming service that they are starting, and already, from the start, it doesn't look good because the way that they handle the titles and the way that they want to take the control of all of this is going to work. A lot of gamers are not super happy about it. And already from the start, it was looking a little shaky. Now, when they decided to do the Stadia streaming, they, of course, also decided to open a game studio, a Google game studio, that would have their own games. Well, Google has decided that they shut down everything. They say that the costs are exponential, and it's not something they want to do. It's not surprising. Games are like movies. Some of them cost tens of millions of dollars, if not more, to actually create the games before they come out. So, I think they just underestimated what the games would cost and what it would cost to create new games. So they say that now they will just rely on the games from other companies for their streaming service. That's going to be interesting to see. And of course, they say that most of the people that were in the game departments will be reaffected at other Google services. So no Google games, apparently. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.